Thank you, David. Thank you all for being here. And I am going to show you what we have done in this project we have conducted regarding engineering information and science library information. Piql is a Norwegian company focused on digital preservation. They have developed a unique film storage for digital contents, and we are interested on continuing the digital preservation with other tools like eArchiving. So we are key to produce more and more conformant eArchiving tools. So on this project, we had two different goals, as we had kind of different partners. First one was Airbus in Spain. They would like to preserve the information in the long term of these four particular topics: certification quality documents, engineering technical documents, drawings, and prepare everything for preserved 3D models. So it's not, we have not covered that in this particular project, but we have prepared the workflows and the tools to be able to do it. They also would like to evolve their current archiving tools to follow eArchiving standards. They are currently using some internal tools, and they would like to participate of this standardization gained by the following eArchiving. And the final goal is to gain internal knowledge about all the eArchiving standards. So those are the goals for Airbus, and I think we have reached all of them, as you are going to see following. Regarding the Central Library of the Slovak Academy of Sciences, it's a bit different. They have also the preservation, digital preservation in the long term. They are also seeking that, but the content is kind of different. It's digitalized books and also research documents and data. So the content from the Slovak Academy, it's kind of different. They don't have properly preservation tools. They are obviously have library management and content management systems, but not really preservation. And they are also wanting to gain the knowledge to use eArchiving tools. So these are the two different goals we have had in these two organizations. Regarding Airbus, we have approached the project following two different angles. One is to standardize the metadata to be preserved following its ERMS specification. So we have converted the original metadata stored in Airbus systems into the ERMS standard. As you can see there, a very simple sample. So there's not all the standard, obviously, but we have followed all of them, and I think we have done a quite good translation from this. They are also willing to use the SIP, the AIP, and the DIP formats in eArchiving. So we are, I'm going forward later on, but we are using these specifications. And the development of tools to automate the process. the willing of Piql is to be able to automate as much as possible the digital preservation process. So we are producing tools to allow the users to only do the tasks that are really needed, not all of them. So that's the main thing. And also, we have added, in addition to the standard specification to the archiving, also we have developed submission information agreements support in the tools. So the data producers can agree and send the data to the archive or the digital document management system in very well defined and standardized as well. So this is these are the tasks that we have done. Regarding the Slovak Academy, is a bit different. They are not using standard e-archiving standard for the metadata, but Dublin Core, because it's pretty simple. The metadata are really enough for their content. So they are using also SIP, AIP, and DIP formats as described and specified in the standard, and full OIS workflow supporting it. So it's we have developed this tool as well, and also an access interface for the preservation system. What we have provided is a full automated OIS workflow with Nageru Hive. That's the tool we are currently developing and supporting. Everything is conformant with e-archiving. Still, as my previous presentator has been still pending of qualify as conformant, but we have passed all the tests that are explained in the website. We have implemented harvesting tools, meaning that all the obtention of the data, when all the data is obtained from the sources almost automatically, defining rules and many other ways to avoid the need to the user to ingest it manually. We have also developed this metadata loading from XML, CSV, and other formats within the project. And we have adapted that metadata schemas to CH-ERMS, CEART, and many others. So the idea is that the metadata schemas are configurable 100%. So it's not really nothing is done by default on the tool. We transfer the metadata, as I said, from the source metadata in the Airbus and SABA systems. We transform it into the both standards, either CH-ERMS and Dublin Core. All the preservation in use in Airbus particularly has been integrated, and we have developed this general purpose services platform for archiving and preservation. So that's the thing. The first thing we have provided. Both you can see on the right side, two different flows, the certification qualification documents for Airbus and the for the books in the Slovak Academy. So both of them are following the standards and are configured dynamically. We have also, and based on some of the work that has been done in the one-click previous project, we have integrated Archimatica into these preservation flows. So we have tested and used it in the process for these two customers using flows open source with the open source Enduro tool. And as the previous presenter has mentioned, zip to the eArch AIP, zip to the Archimatica transfer that has a particular format, and also provide AIP to the IP. So the three tools are available on the website in an open source to be used for everyone. So this is all I have. We have developed a group of automated e-archiving services for many purposes. So thank you very much, and I hope that you can have some questions afterwards.